It's Zeta the alien. Let's make a home for Zeta on Mars. Use a tray to keep everything in one place. This is where Zeta's home is going to be. Mars has rocky terrain, so I'm using beans for these as they add a nice texture to Zeta's home. I also like adding recyclables whenever I can. These can be anything that you have lying around at home. Bottle caps are my personal favorite as they can be used in any play setups or craft. Next, let's make Zeta's home. I've got an old bottle here. I'm using aluminium foil to give his home a futuristic look. I imagine Zeta's home to be powered by these colored pebbles. Zeta's home is ready. Let's play!